Hello kids, welcome back. English alphabet. Small letter A, B, C, D. A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for banana. B. B for banana. C for cat. C for cat. D for doll. D for doll. D for doll. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for gorilla. Gorilla. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. 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 L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nurse. N for nurse. Nurse. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rose. Rose. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Okay, kid. Bye.